Hi everyone, welcome to SwifDoo PDF. In this video we'll introduce how to easily delete pages from a PDF. First, search for SwifDoo PDF in your browser. Here, you'll find that SwifDoo PDF supports multiple versions and various features. Go to the official website to download SwifDoo PDF, then proceed with the installation. It's very easy to install on your device. Once installed, launch SwifDoo PDF and open your file. You can right-click to find the Delete Pages option. You can delete the current page or select specific pages to delete. Alternatively, you can go to the Page option in the top menu. In this section, you'll see a Delete button on the right side of each page. Additionally, you can select multiple pages at once for deletion. If you select too many pages by mistake, you can deselect them. Before confirming the deletion, make sure to double-check, as deleted pages cannot be recovered. This feature is commonly used to remove duplicate or blank pages. Also, it supports Mac, iOS, and Android versions, allowing you to delete and manage pages across different platforms. That's all for today's video. If you want to learn more about SwifDoo PDF tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.